Hi guys, Daisy here with the It Mom, and I've got my husband, the It Dad, and here with us is Juliana.
Hello.
She's our guest today who has some exciting things to show you. Juliana, why don't you share a little bit about this?
We have the ZURU Smashers Series 2 Gross.
Okay, what is it?
So it's a collectible toy. We can collect over 100 and you smash it on the ground or wall and you will have a surprise.
Ah.
Ooh, and only in this 8-pack, you can find a glow-in-the-dark one. So once you smash them all, you can probably find in one of them.
Cool. I like the glow in the darks. I don't like gross, but.
They're all gross.
Well, some of the characters in there are filthy food, icky insects, smash trash, odd bodies, toilet humor. This will be so exciting.
So let's open them up.
Yep.